In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Click on the Instagram application, then click on the profile picture in the far right here at the bottom. And if you find this video helpful, can remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this, okay? Okay, then click on the hamburger sign, these three bars at the top, okay? Now click on Account Center, then scroll down and click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. Then click on deactivation or deletion. Then choose Instagram account, because here you can see various options for Facebook and Instagram, but we are interested in Instagram. Click Instagram. Then click deactivation, because here there's option for deletion and deactivation, but we want deactivation. Then click continue. Then click continue once again. Now you'll be asked to enter your password. By entering your password, you'll be confirming the activation of your Instagram account. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.